So here we have this ABESTORM 360-degree air filter. Now, as you can see, this came packaged super well. It has an instruction manual, a warranty paper, and then this box with all the mounting hardware and this super helpful remote. I hung this up in my wood shop right above this table saw and outfeed table. It was pretty simple to hang up with just these hooks that screw into the ceiling and then these chains that hook onto here. I've been using it for about a month now and it's been great. And I've definitely noticed that whenever I do something like sand or cut wood, that the dust in the air is cleaned up a lot faster and there's a lot less fine dust that ends up on my table. The fan has this little control pad with 2 buttons, but it's a lot easier to just use this remote. And as you can see, I glued some magnets to the bottom so I can stick it to my table saw or just right onto the fan so I don't lose it. There's buttons to turn it on and off, change from high to low, or turn on this ionizer. And I'm not going to pretend that I know what that means, but it's probably good. There's also a timer you can set up, but I usually just turn it on when I'm going to work and then turn it off after I'm done for the day. I don't have another one of these dust filtration systems to compare this to, so I'm not sure if it's loud when compared to others. It definitely is louder than I was expecting, but it's still way quieter than something like a shop vac. So it's not like it's so loud that you need to wear earmuffs. There's 4 filters and they just friction fit into the fan, so they're super easy to take out and replace or to knock off the dust. I just plugged it into this extension cord and ran that across the ceiling, which probably isn't the best, but it's working for me. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. So if you're looking for a dust collector to remove the fine dust in your shop, then this is a great pick.